U-Mhlongo namhlanje uqale uhambo ozoguqula impilo yakhe emva kokukhahlanyezwa yilesi sifo ebese simkhipha inyumbazana nasemphakathini iminyaka eyisithupha yonke. U-Mhlongo uthi usebeke konke kungabonwayo njengoba eqala nje ukuhlinzwa.
To be honest, I don't know how I'm feeling right now. It's just an explosion of emotions. But hopefully tomorrow with Dr. Nkosi, everything is going to go well. I do have hope and I do trust him.
Umsebenzi wokuhlinza usingethwe isibhedlela esizimele I-Lenmed la Verna esisemnambithi KwaZulu-Natal.
Right now, Ntando has been admitted with a condition called chronic scrotal swelling, which is a hydrocele, which is quite massive. He's going to be, as he has been admitted, he's going to be cancelled. He's going to be done a pre-op workup, including anesthetic pre-op workup. Certain bloods will be taken and the ECGs, the X-rays, prior to a procedure. And then he's going to be given a consent, informed consent prior to. And then the next day, which is Tuesday, 9:30 in the morning, is going to be operated on for hydrocelectomy and the plastic surgical reconstruction of the scrotum.
Ntando ubonga kakhulu isibhedlela nabantu abebezama ukumsiza. Unethemba lokuthi manje usezokwazi ukulandela amaphupho akhe nobe kuyinto enzima ukuyenza esabhekene nalesi sifo odokotela abathi asijwayelekile kwabesilisa abaseminyakeni yakhe.